Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your world and clearing obvious sources of artifacts. Back up the world folder now. You can't fix things you lose. Once done, update your GPU driver and Java or the launcher so rendering bugs aren't caused by outdated software. Next, disable any shaders and resource packs so you're testing vanilla rendering. This isolates the problem if the lines disappear. You've narrowed it to a pack or shader conflict, and you can proceed with targeted settings changes. Now adjust in-game rendering to remove seams. Open video settings and raise bitmaps to 2 to 4. This smooths edges between different texture resolutions. Enable VBOs if available, and switch fancy graphics off because fancy transparency sometimes causes visible lines. If you run Optifine or mods, turn off fast render and render regions and toggle fast math. One of these often introduces striping. After each change, reload the world so you can confirm whether the lines vanish. Finish by restoring what you need while watching for the issue to return. Re-enable resource packs or shaders one at a time so you find the offender. When a pack reintroduces lines, reinstall or replace it. Also try changing render distance and switching between full screen and windowed modes. Display scaling can reveal or hide seams. If problems persist, reset options. JSON or reinstall the resource pack. Often corrupted pack files cause persistent lines. Key troubleshooting tip. If lines remain after all this, test on a fresh world to rule out map corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.